everyone! In today's world, millions of people love to play games on their mobile phones. Whether you're commuting to work, relaxing at home, or waiting in line at the store, there's always a game just a tap away. Mobile gaming is a source of fun and entertainment, but we must recognize a growing concern: mobile gaming addiction. What might begin as a harmless way to pass the time can quickly become a problem that affects your health, your relationship, and even your daily responsibilities. It's time we take a step back, evaluate our habits, and make sure our love for gaming doesn't harm other important paths of our lives.
Mental and emotional impact. When someone becomes addicted to mobile gaming, it starts to affect their mental health. People who game excessively often feel anxiety, stress, and depression. When they can't play, it's a vicious cycle. The more play, the more they feel they need to keep playing. And when they are not gaming, they experience negative emotions. These feelings can lead to frustration, restlessness, and even sadness. It's important to realize that gaming should be a way to unwind, not a way to escape reality or avoid facing life's challenges. If we are careful, gaming can take a heavy emotional toll and affect how we feel about ourselves and our
Relationships
lives.
with the family and friends. Another major issue is how gaming addiction can hurt relationships. As the gaming consumes more time and attention, people often start to neglect their family and friends. This can lead to feelings of neglect, hurt, even isolation. Family members and friends may feel left out or unimportant, and over time this can cause misunderstanding or conflicts. In extreme, it's in bad gaming can be a great way to relax, connect with others, and have fun. The key is moderation. We need to find that balance, a balance that allows us to enjoy our games without letting them take over our lives.
Time limit. One way to maintain balance is by setting clear time limits on gaming. For example, you can decide to play for just 30 minutes for 1 hour a day. Once the time is up, it's time to stop and focus on other things like family, work, or personal growth. This helps make sure that gaming stays a fun, occasional activity instead of a daily habit that takes over. Remember that your work, studies, and personal goals should come first. Be sure to finish important tasks before you start gaming. Once your responsibilities are taken care of, then you can enjoy gaming without feeling guilty or stressed.
Mind your mental health and emotional health. Finally, always check in with yourself. If you notice that gaming is starting to affect your mood, your health, or your relationship, take a step back. Ask yourself if gaming is still bringing joy or if it's becoming an escape from a real life issue. Pay attention to your emotional state and make sure gaming doesn't become a source of stress or sadness. In conclusion, mobile gaming is fun and enjoyable way to spend time, but when it becomes an addiction, it can harm your health, relationship, and your future progress. We all love gaming, but we need to remember that balance is the key to enjoy it in a healthy way. By settling boundaries, taking care of our physical and mental health, and prioritizing our real-life responsibilities and relationships, we can make sure that gaming remains a positive and enjoyable activity, not a source of stress or harm. Let's spread the message of balance and encourage others to enjoy gaming responsibly. Let's make sure our love for gaming doesn't overshadow the things that really matter: our health, our relationship, and our goals. Thank you for your attention. Together, we can create a healthier, more mindful approach to mobile gaming. Let's game responsibly and live fully.